Hi guys, welcome to the second video where I will show you how you will going to read the Excel data in Python. So if you have seen my first video where I have talked about how we can import the CSV data in Python, and we looked at a couple of options, and now we are moving ahead and we will see how we can read the Excel data into the Python and then do the further data analysis operation using Panda library or data visualization with the other libraries. Alright, so first piece is that as always you need to import pandas library. So we are importing pandas and we are giving the alias name as pd so that we don't have to write panda all the time when we are calling its function like pd.excel file. If we are not doing this, then we will have to write pandas.excel file. So that's the benefit of giving it an alias to the library. Alright, let's go ahead and execute this. I'm pressing the shift enter, and after this we are using the function from this library pandas, which is Excel file. This function is basically taking the path of the file, which is an XLS file, and if I'll just show you quickly the file that I have, and that is superstore sample. Here it is, and here is the columns, the different columns that it has. So it's about the product information, some sales data that I'm using as an example. Alright, so after that we are reading that data and executing this. So let's go ahead and execute this. So if we are executing this, it will not give you the output like the direct data which you needed directly from the file. You need to basically parse it. That is a part of this object that we just created. So what we are doing is we are taking the file, creating an object orders, and we are saying that from this file object that we created, as it has all the sheets information and Excel file information, we want the orders sheet, because that sheet contains worksheet contains three different sheets, and one of the sheets is orders. So what we are saying that hey Excel file, we need to parse just the order sheets from this and then show us the first 5 observation. So that's the thing you need to remember. That's like a two-step process. First, get the entire workbook in the object Excel file, and then import the sheet using the parse function and give the name of the sheet. Alright, let's go ahead and execute this. Once we execute this, we see the first few observation. That is a useful function head which gives first 5 observation, and here now the data is in front of us, that column. If you need any other sheet, you need to specify that sheet over here in the parse function. So that's one thing, one of the ways by which you can read the data. Another way to directly read the data is by using the read_Excel function. So this is also a part of the pandas library, and the benefit of this function is that in just one statement you can get the output. So that file has the returns, the orders which have been returned, so that it has that sheet, and what we are saying that using the read_Excel function is go to this path, import this file, and take the second sheet. However, the parameter is 1, but as you know, the indexing basically start for the sheet objects is basically from the 0. So 0 is basically the first sheet, and 1 here indicates the second sheet. So that's why I have indicated 1. So if I go ahead and execute this, no issues. And if I go ahead and get the first few rows or the 5 rows, here I have the first 5 rows. So these are the two ways by which you can read the Excel data into the Python and do your data analysis. One is the using the Excel file and then parsing what are all the sheets that I want. Sometimes it is really helpful because you just want to get entire information in one simple object and do that. Another one is just go ahead and within one statement just get that sheet and start doing the processing. So choice is up to you what you want to use, and get the data directly to the Python for data analysis. So that's pretty much all I have for you in this video, and I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.